welcome to the ANOC Awards 2019. Tonight, we are celebrating athletes whose outstanding achievements deserve special recognition.
The best female of the African Games 2019 is Miss Erin Gallagher from South Africa.
It's been absolutely incredible to be recognized by all these great people, and it's honestly a moment that I'm going to cherish forever.
Mr. Sydney Siame, Zambia.
It is my appeal and desire that this award will have the effect of encouraging and inspire many more Zambian youth to take up athletics as a professional career.
And the best female of Pan American Games 2019 is from Mariana, Pajón, Colombia. Bimes.
It's been a roller coaster of a year, and just coming back and winning after not knowing if I was going to walk again or even ride on my bike again, it's amazing.
Best female of European Games, Dina, Averina.
Every day I remember all the people that give sacrifices for me, my coaches, my teammates, my family. So it's really a great opportunity to be able to say it and say thank you to them.
I'm really appreciated the acknowledgement of ANOC. Thank Chinese Gymnastics Association and my coaches. Without them, I'm not able to get 3 gold medals of Asian Games in Jakarta.
I'm looking to Tokyo because I want to win. I'm looking for a gold medal.
Sport really unites people. It doesn't matter which language you speak and from which country you are and which religion you believe in. I always felt when we were in the Olympic Village, we were one team.
It's such an amazing award. Every athlete dreams about it, and today my dream came true.